Hello everyone. Today we are going to start new chapter. That is chapter number 13. Shivaji gives the sleep to the emperor. Here sleep means run away or escape. And who is the emperor here? Aurangzeb. And Shivaji has given sleep to whom? Aurangzeb. And how Shivaji has given sleep to the Aurangzeb, that we are going to see in this chapter. This is very interesting chapter. We'll begin with first paragraph. Putting his trust in Jai Singh, Shivaji left for Agra to visit the emperor. Before leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swarajya to his mother Jizabai and took her blessings. In previous video, we have seen Jai Singh, he told to Shivaji Maharaj to go and meet to emperor. So Shivaji Maharaj, he put trust on the Jai Singh and he left for Agra to visit the emperor. But before going to Agra, Shivaji Maharaj had handed over the administration of his Swarajya, means whatever work is there of the Swarajya, that is called administration of Swarajya. He handed over this to his mother Jijamata and took her blessings. With him were his son Sambhaji Raje and some chosen Sardars, selected Sardars and few trusted people. Shivaji can keep belief like that. People he took with him. He also carried with him a large treasure. Treasure means money. Means when Shivaji is going to visit the Agra, that time he need some treasure, money. In due course, he reached Agra. In due course means at appropriate time, means whatever time was decided, at that time only Shivaji Maharaj has reached to Agra. Next point we are going to see, that is the Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court. Spirit means what? Courage. Shivaji has shown the courage, spirit at the emperor's court. About this we are going to see in this point. On the pre-arranged day, Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. Here pre-arranged means what? Arranged at an earlier time. And darbar means court. Means here pre-arranged whatever day it was, on that Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. Young Sambhaji Raje accompanied him. Means Sambhaji Raje was with Shivaji. It was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. After finishing court in Diwan-e-Khas. Now Diwan-e-Khas, it is what? Hall. The emperor entered the hall where matter of state were discussed. Means whatever related to the state of emperor, whatever matters are discussed, that hall emperor enter. In front of him stood his chief sardars in serial ranks according to their status. Means according to status, the chief sardar, they stood in a serial rank in front of the Aurangzeb. According to their status means who is the main sardar, chief sardar, he will stand front. Behind of him, who is the sardar, he will stand after. Behind of him, who is the soldier. Like this they stand according to their status. Jaswant Singh Rathod, whom the Marathas had put to flight means defeated on many occasions, was in the rank ahead of Shivaji. Means according to status all were standing. In that, in front of Shivaji was standing Jaswant Singh Rathod, and this person was defeated by Marathas. Many times he was defeated. Actually Shivaji should be stand in front of Jaswant Singh Rathod, but emperor has made to Jaswant Singh Rathod to stand in front of Shivaji. The emperor put Shivaji in one of the back rows. Means back rows Shivaji was given place by emperor. Shivaji became angry. After all, he was the king of the sovereign state of Maharashtra. Sovereign means independent. One independent state was there, that is Maharashtra state, and that Maharashtra state king, means Hindvi Swarajya's king, who was that Shivaji Maharaj, and he was given place at the back row. So he was angry. Shivaji's status demanded that he should be in front rank, means in front line. Shivaji should be there, but that place was not given to Shivaji. This was a deliberate insult which he would not suffer lying down. Now, would not suffer lying down means what? Could not tolerate. Shivaji could not tolerate this insult. Angry and insulted, he turned his back on the royal presence and made for his residence. Royal presence means like a king. Shivaji was a king of the state of Maharashtra. So he was in a royal presence, means like king has over the clothes, and in that way he went and lived in the resident, means place which was given to him in Agra. Aurangzeb has insulted Shivaji Maharaj, so he has decided never to see the emperor's face again. He don't want to see the face of emperor. The visit was thus a failure. The news of the incident spread everywhere. Failure means lack of success. Means through the meeting of Aurangzeb and Shivaji, nothing was decided. And Shivaji was insulted, so Shivaji left that court. This news it was spread everywhere. Next point we are going to see, that is the emperor's treachery. Now, treachery means what? Deceptive action or cheating. In which way emperor has done cheating with Shivaji, that we are going to see in this point. Aurangzeb ordered guards to be posted around Shivaji's residence, where Shivaji was living, at which place. Around that, guards were posted on the order of Aurangzeb. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje thus became, for all practical purposes, the emperor's prisoners. Now, for all practical purposes means what? Actually, in fact, now Shivaji and Sambhaji Raje, they were actually prisoners of emperor. Prisoners means people who are kept in prison. In Marathi, prisoners for that word is kaidi. Now Sambhaji and Shivaji Maharaj, they were the prisoners of emperor. Shivaji understood the emperor's treachery. Means Shivaji understood that he had cheated with me. He realized that the emperor would never let him return to Maharashtra. Means Shivaji come to know that, or realize that emperor will not allow him to go to Maharashtra. Days and weeks passed. Then one day Shivaji Maharaj petitioned to the emperor for permission to return to Maharashtra. Petition means a written appeal, a written request Shivaji Maharaj has given to emperor to allow him to go to Maharashtra. He tried again and again, but every time his request was turned down. Means Aurangzeb did not listen to Shivaji. Then Shivaji Maharaj made up his mind to escape from the emperor's clutches. Clutches means stronghold, means from the hand of the emperor. Shivaji decided to run away. Come what may, means here whatever difficult come, but Shivaji decided that from that difficulty he will run away. To begin with, he obtained the emperor's permission to send back to the south the persons who had accompanied him to Agra. Means he took permission, Shivaji Maharaj took permission of the Aurangzeb to send back the people who had came with him. The emperor was happy. Emperor sent that people to the Maharashtra and he was happy. He thought that Shivaji Maharaj would now be completely isolated. What the emperor thought? That Shivaji will be completely isolated. Isolated means alone. The only person left with him now were Sambhaji Raje and the two servants, Hiroji Farzad and Madari Mehtar. Soon after, Shivaji Maharaj pretended to be ill. Pretended to be means what? Claimed to have. Means Shivaji Maharaj has done drama that he told that I am not feeling well. He complained of severe pain in the stomach. What he has done drama here? That there is severe, lots of pain it is there in his stomach. Doctors were called. They started treating the patient. Shivaji started sending out huge baskets of sweet to sadhus and Maulvis for his quick recovery. Here Maulvis means doctor. Shivaji Maharaj pretended, means he has done drama that he is not feeling well. And for that purpose, Shivaji Maharaj has started sending huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and Maulvis. For what reason? For his quick recovery. Means he will get well soon. For that purpose, he done drama to send what? Baskets of sweets to whom? Sadhus and Maulvis. Remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Next, we are going to see the exercise of chapter number 12. The exercise of chapter number 12, it is given here that you have to copy in EVS to workbook and you have to learn. Thank you.